Hi everyone, welcome to Storeino. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add balance to your store or to your account in Storeino.com. First of all, you need to go to the manager account, and then top of your page, you will see the balance button here. As you can see, go ahead and click on it, and it will send you to this page where you can add an amount to your balance in your account in Storeino.com. Of course, this balance will help you to actually pay for example, for the subscription, or to buy a domain name, or to pay for other applications like SMS sender or WhatsApp sender that help you send, for example, messages to your clients and help you contact better with your clients and customers. So first of all, we have this list of amounts that you can choose from. For example, if you want to choose 10, 15, 100, 200, 300, etc. We have this list of amounts that is easy to choose from. If your amount is not listed on here, as you can see, just go ahead and type in the amount that you want to add. For example, I want to add $60 to my balance here. As you can see, just go ahead and type in 60, and then go ahead and choose the payment method that you want. For example, here you have the credit card method, and we have two options for that credit card method here. As you can see, we have, first of all, the international card, and then we have the local card that is only used in Morocco. For example, if you are resident in Morocco and you only have the credit card that only used in Morocco, go ahead and select the second option. But if you have an international card, just stick with the first option. We have also PayPal here. As you can see, you can choose the PayPal option, and then just go ahead and fill in the rest of the information of your account to confirm the payment, and then add the amount to your balance. Here we have also, if you are a resident in Morocco, there is an agency that is called Cash Plus, where you can, of course, pay for the balance of your account. All you need to do is choose this option here, and then click on Pay. So it will show you a code that you can write down on your phone or in a paper. For example, go ahead to the nearest agency to you, give them the code, and they will pay the amount that you want to add to your balance, and then it will be successfully added to your account in Storeino.com. The last option and the last payment method here, as you can see, is the bank transfer. All you need to do is just go to the nearest bank to you, and then of course you need to have the information of the Storeino bank account here. As you can see, this is the account number where you can transfer the money. Go ahead and then transfer the money to this account number, and then when you are eventually done, they will give you a paper that proves that you have actually transferred the money. Go ahead and take a picture of this paper, and then send it to either our email or our WhatsApp number here. As you can see down below here, we have the number, the phone number of our WhatsApp, and also we have the email where we can send the actual paper that they gave you in the bank. And then when our team verified that it was actually paid and it was added to the Storeino bank account, they will eventually add the amount to your balance, and you will be able to use it either to pay for applications or subscription, or actually to buy a domain name, etc. There are a lot of uses to the balance option in Storeino.com. And when you are eventually done with all this stuff, and when you choose your payment method, just go ahead and click on Pay, so that the amount will be added to your account in Storeino. So that was only a brief video explaining how to add an amount to your balance. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments, and we will make sure to answer you as soon as possible, or contact our support so they can answer you also as soon as possible. So that was everything. Thank you.